2022 Ram 2500 Crew Cab 4x4 Laramie with the 6.4. Hi everyone, my name is Carter and I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Here I am with another uncut, unrehearsed, unfiltered, unedited vehicle video, just right off the cuff. It's got the 6.4 in there. I've been a diesel guy for the last 25 years, but I tell you what, I switched. I am tired of DEF. I am tired of gelling up. I am tired of diesel being $1 more than gasoline. I am tired of $300, $400 oil changes. I'm tired of all that. I have gone back to gas. I tow about 10,000 pounds when I take a heavy-duty truck, car trailer in a car, SUVs, half-ton, whatever on the trailer. When I've done the math, gas is cheaper to own. This truck is $10,000 less than a diesel. It's cheaper to insure. It's cheaper to fix. You don't have the additives. You don't have the gelling. You don't have the EGR problems. You don't have the DEF problems. And it costs less to buy. So anyway, back to the truck. One owner, clear Carfax, independently inspected. Factory remaining powertrain warranty. You can upgrade that very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of finance, get pre-approved at that website, the AutoramaAuto.com. AutoramaAuto.com, and guess what? You're in and out of here under 20 minutes. That's right, with pre-approval, you like it, you love it, you leave with it 20 minutes. Seriously, we're not going to keep you all day. The big dealerships do that for a reason. It's to get you to spend more money. We don't do that. Why? Because we have honest pricing. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, navigation. It doesn't have the huge screen, but it's still a very nice large screen. Remote start, power rear slider, power pedals, phone hookups, you name it. It's got it. Does not have vented seats. Otherwise, it's pretty much loaded. No sunroof to make wind noise, reduce your headroom. Tires are almost brand new. No ball, no plate. That's right. 3/4 ton truck without a ball or plate. Love buying them that way. Let's talk about price. I know you're going to find dealers advertising these trucks for less money. But we have real prices. We have true prices. We have price you see, price you pay, drive it away prices. Like I said, these aren't edited. That's right. There's no surprise here. Price you see is the price you pay. Don't worry about that. That emblem's missing. It's ordered. It'll be here by the time this truck's ready for sale. Yeah, a lot of dealers, they're advertising stuff $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 back of cost. Then you get there and surprise, there's hidden fees. Not us. So let's recap here. Oh, we do have a $145 dock fee. That's no surprise. And this is your video coupon. Hey, Corey, give these folks a free dock fee if they show you the video. That's right, no dock fee if you show the finance guy the video. So let's recap. 2022 Ram 2500 Laramie Crew 4x4. 6.7 foot bed, no ball, one owner, clear Carfax, independently inspected, serviced, warranted, fast financing, no hidden fees, price you see is price you pay, drive it away. That is what I call the Autorama advantage. Come and join us.